Solving 428 numbers from a file from the Java MOOC course. So, numbers from a file programming exercise asks us to write a program that prompts the user for a file name, as well as the lower bound and the upper bound for the accepted range of numbers. Then the program reads the numbers contained in the file and only accounts for the numbers which are inside the given range. Finally, the program should print the number of numbers that were inside the given range. You can convert a string type integer read from a file into a proper integer using the command integer.value of. Okay, let's hop into the solution. So this is the layout that we've been provided with. So first of all, let's make an array list of type integer. Init list equals to new array list with angular bracket. This is a mistake here. Okay, it's done. After that, in order to count the numbers, let's define a count variable. After that, the regular try and catch block. And catch, let me define an exception E, right, and then just simply print error plus e.get message. So that sorts this out. Now inside the try block, let me define a scanner and name it file contents equals to new scanner, and let's provide a path.get. Okay, paths.get. In case this array list is giving you an error here, just be sure to add an import here of the Java util array list. Okay, so yeah, paths.get, and inside this we are passing the parameter file, this file right here, that asking for the name of the file. Now let's just write some codes inside the try block. While file contains dot has next line. Has next line. What do we have to do? I think all we have to do is add it to the list. List.add scanner. File contents dot next line, right? But this is of type string, so we have to make sure to add integer dot value of in then the file contents dot next line. So this is solved. And now we have added it. Now all that remains is to check the condition that the number lies between lower bound and upper bound. So for that, all we have to do is let's give an integer name value in list. All we have to do is if value is less than or equal to upper bound, right, and also value is greater than or equal to lower bound. What do we have to do? All we have to do is increase the count value. So I think this solves our problem. Let's try and submit it. Oh, wait, I think I forgot to print, right? Oh no, what a mistake I've made. Numbers plus count. I think this should solve our problem now. Well, okay, all tests have passed on the server, but I'd like to add one thing, that if, oh no, the ID is not responding, it's been a while. Okay, it's responding. So, if you are not prompted with file or lower bound or upper bound in your console while you play the program, make sure to change the print statement right here to print line statement, so that you be opted with an output, because by default this will be just like print and there will be no output in my console. At least that's what happened to me. So just make sure that there is a line statement and then just solve it out. Thank you.